Where in the herd is Tiffany, where we talk about travel, lifestyle, and mental health. Follow us on Instagram at Sweet Tiffies, Twitter at Sweet Tiffies, Facebook Sweet Tiffies Inspirations, and Tiffany-travel.com. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Welcome back to my channel. This is actually very weird to me because I'm not used to filming on the floor, but I didn't know a better way to film. But anyway, welcome back to Where in the Herd is Tiffany. We are going to be doing a packing video. I've never done a packing video before, but I thought it would be cool. So let me know if you love or hate packing. I actually hate packing. So I said if I ever became rich enough, like, I'm giving that task to somebody else. But anyway, let's talk about what exactly are packing cubes. So this is actually what a packing cube looks like. It is something that helps you keep everything organized and keeps everything compact, okay? So the way that I used to pack without packing anything, I would literally either kind of roll or kind of put it like this. But I've noticed that rolling and using the packing cubes are so much easier. And so for this video, we're actually trying out like carry-on packing cubes. So as you can see, these are really, really small. I was gifted these at an event. I can't remember what the event was, but these are compass rolls. And there actually are 4 of them. So today we're gonna try to fit as much as we can in 4 of these little packing cubes. So the way that I pack is I always start off with my underwear. So we're gonna see how many pairs of underwear we can get into this little bag right here. And I'm gonna open it up so you can see. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't look like there's going to be much that's going to fit in here at all, but we're gonna try to work it out, okay? So first of all, I am just going to simply, they're already kind of rolled up as you can see. I don't know if y'all want to see, y'all probably don't want to see my underwear, so we're going to just fold them like this, and then this is how you're going to do it. So each one, and you just roll it as tight as you can, and here you go. There you go. So I'm just going to put that right there. That's going to be 1. This is going to be 2. I'm just trying to figure out how many are we going to be able to put in here. These are 3. I will also say try to use a lighter the material, because that actually makes it smaller. If you can see the difference from the cotton one versus this one rolls up more. But this is 3 right here. We have, this is like a nylon. This is also good for rolling. That's 4 right there. This is 5. These are cotton pair. And this is a 6 pairs. So we're going on a 3-day vacation. I have 6 pairs of underwear. And then the other thing that I normally pack in here is my at least 1 set of pajamas. You could bring more, but obviously if it's a warmer destination, it's a top and a shirt. So let's see if we can fit these in there. Now, obviously this is a little bit bigger than the panties, but let's see if we can do it. We're gonna challenge ourselves today. That's another reason I'm excited about this video, because I'm like, how much can I really pack in here? And it's funny because I had these packing cubes for forever, and I happened to be cleaning up, and I was like, oh, why have I never used these before? Okay, so now we're just going to zip right here. Let's see. Oh, and let's see, I actually have my bra, so we're gonna try to see if we can fit that in there too. So the bra is something you can obviously wear on the thing, or if you want to bring extra, let's see about putting it in our packing cube. So let's zip this up. And voila! Yay! We accomplished it. So that's one of, let me go a little bit closer. This is one of our packing cubes down. So let's see how we can pack more. We have 3 more to go. We have more outfits. So remember I told you that there was 4 packing cubes. So there's the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So now we're just gonna go to our clothes. And actually these are all the same size. So we're just gonna try to fit as much as we can. I just put out a bunch of clothes to see what we can gather with. So this is outfit number 1. And then 2, it is very good to pack these light clothes. So I'm going to Mexico. And so again, we're gonna keep using that rolling method. This is very self-explanatory, but again, I want us to challenge ourselves because a lot of times it's just easier to take a carry-on instead of you waiting at the luggage carousel or anything like that. I just find it easier just to have your backpack or your carry-on, and then that way you're good to go. So let's see how many outfits we can fit in here. These are all very like tropical outfits. So let's see. Actually, I think this is, okay, so yeah, this is one outfit right here. These are like shorts and top sets. Let's see. Sorry, I was trying to find the matching shirts and stuff like that to go with it. But again, these are all kind of lightweight. And roll it as tight as you can so that you can get as much things in here. And the reason why I like the packing cubes, because they're very flexible. You can mesh them together as much as you would like. So let's see. So this right here is, let's see how much we can get in this. This one this one only didn't give us a lot in here, but remember we still have 2 that we can utilize. So I'm just gonna close this up and we'll keep it going. That's one. So let's use another one to get all the rest of this stuff in here. Okay. Yeah, and so these are, and at the end we're gonna see how many outfits it came out to. And then at least you know you can pack your outfits for the day. Oh, okay, Monday I'm gonna wear this, Tuesday I'm gonna wear this, if you're that particular. And also the amount of stuff that I'm packing, because we're going on this 3-day trip, let's say I'm a woman, so we want to be able to change up our outfits. So we have some daytime outfits plus some nighttime outfits, especially if you're traveling and you want to go out for a nice date and you need to change your clothes. So this is why we have more than one. And all of these outfits, and I got about 6 or 7 outfits that can fit into the packing cubes. And I know a lot of people say, well, I'm a plus size woman and I don't know how to pack light. I'm a plus size woman, y'all, and we are going to pack light today. So we're gonna do it. We are going to do, I'm up for a good challenge. So we're gonna fit this in here. And we are going to zip it up good, okay? This is another nighttime dress that I could wear. Let's see. Roll it up as tight as y'all can, y'all, because we do got to zip this at the end of the day. And then we have a shirt, so let's zip it up. Now, some may be a little bit tighter than others, but that's another reason why I love packing cubes, because, and they always have 2 ends of the thing, so we're gonna get this all in here. Okay. So you see, this one's I stuffed this one a little bit, but it's okay. Long as it closes, I'm good. And I probably could have taken some out of this one and put it in the other one, because the other one wasn't as tight as this. Okay, look at, there we go. Okay, we are back and we are going to fill up our last packing cube. And we are just going to fill this up with essentials that we need. So first of all, we're going to start off with a towel. Please, y'all, please bring a towel, because in most countries or international destinations, they don't use these little small washcloths. I'm a washcloth person. I don't know about you. So don't forget to pack that. They usually always have a big one, so you should be fine. And if you don't pack anything else, we have essentials like deodorant. You can never have enough sunscreen. And black folks, yes, we need sunscreen. I have lotion. This right here, what I typically do, this right here is hair product. It's actually like grease and like conditioner. And so what I do is I put it in this smaller tube because I usually cannot bring the big ones along with me. And this is usually enough for a trip that'll last me for my hair. Okay. Also, it's always good to have a scarf to either put on your head at night, or when you're trying to keep the dust away, that's always good. always have like handheld lotions or body scrub or different things like that. You can always buy these at Target and stuff like that. I have my hair, my comb to do my hair every day. Also, if you're a lady, you have feminine products. If you're a man, you can ignore this portion. But we have our little pads right here. We also have some bigger sanitary napkins. And I still have room, y'all, in here. So sometimes I wear makeup on vacation and sometimes I don't, just because it's too hot. I won't wear it. But let's go ahead and close that up with our essentials. Oh, I forgot my toothbrush and my my toothpaste, but I will make sure that we add that in there before we leave. The good thing is that sometimes if you forget like toothbrush and toothpaste, like your hotel or somebody else may have it. Okay, so these are our 4 packing cubes, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our 4 packing cubes. And so now, let's say you had either a carry-on or a backpack. For this purpose of the video, we're gonna pretend like we're only gonna use a backpack. So I have this backpack right here. It's a Fit Pack Back Edition. In here they have like a water bottle, which is always great to use to take to the airport because water is so expensive in the airport. So we're just gonna put that in there right there. And then we're gonna proceed to put these in the backpack. So 1, 2. Okay, there's 2 that fit right here. We're gonna close that up. Okay. And then we're gonna put our last remaining 2 right here in the back. And we're just going to zip that up. And of course, you can get any type of backpack that you want, or you can even get more of the suitcase type, which I do want to order one on Amazon. So when I order that, we'll probably do a video about that as well. So let's see, we're just trying to close this up. Okay, so there you go. There you have it right here. We have 4 packing cubes in our bag. This is easy to fit on. And this is going to be wonderful, y'all. And I'm telling you why it's going to be wonderful. I went on another trip and I put my things in a backpack. And it was very hard for me to pack everything. But now I know that I can use my packing cubes. So I hope this video was helpful and to show you that packing cubes actually work. And this would be great for like a Spirit flight, you know, not to pay the fees. Or this would be great just for any flight where you don't want to have a carry-on. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful to let you all know that you can use packing cubes for a carry-on plus size or not. All right, peace. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button.